kahit na malayo, maputik, masapa, talagang yung strategies po natin, kung hindi nila mapuntahan, tayo yung nagdadala. So,
Daghang salamat for choosing Cebu Province as one of your sites for the HP Bisita. As you know, improving the healthcare services in the province is my top priority.
As we know po, maraming Pilipino po, no, iniinda po nila yung sakit nila. They don't go right away to the healthcare center to have themselves checked for health conditions.
So ito po, ang health promotion is under the Universal Healthcare Law po na sinasabi lang na kailangan nating pagandahin ang ating health promotion para hindi na magkasakit ang mga tao, para less po yung gastos natin sa ating mga treatment facilities.
So makita po natin yun, kahit maganda ang serbisyo sa ating mga klinika, sa ating ospital, sa ating mga barangay health stations, pero kung babalik naman sila sa lugar kung saan sila nagkasakit at walang naiba doon, babalik at babalik ang sakit. So ang maganda po dito is, dapat healthy kung saan tayo naninirahan, kung saan tayo pupunta.
BHW na need talaga ng training kasi sila ang mag-educate sa community. Paano nila ma-educate yung community na mismo si BHW hindi pa naka-undergo ng training?
Nag-aano muna kami, capacitating yung ating parang pool of trainers para sabay-sabay yung sila na yung mismo doon sa mga respective LGUs nila.
At least man lang at mga BHWs ay matrain ng Barangay Health Services in situ by ng TESDA.
They plan to have a training because of they have funding for trainings. Yes, so they plan to have a training late of this year or early next year.
Kasi sabi nga po namin, hindi gagana ang health promotion interventions pag wala yung mga barangay health workers namin. At para gumana to, dapat happy. Dapat masaya yung mga barangay health workers natin.
10,000 BHWs of Cebu Province, they are guaranteed of the full support of the Provincial Health Office.
Importansya ng family planning is this is a very consensual, no? Ito ay isang planadong aktibidad ng dalawang mag-asawa kung gaano ba nila gusto kalaki o kaliit ang kanilang pamilya. Basta mapupunan ang atensyon, health, ang kanilang financial na pangangailangan, edukasyon at iba pa.
narinig po namin sa ibang lugar na kahit tinanggal na sila sa BHWs, tuloy-tuloy pa rin sila sa serbisyo. So, yun po yung hinahangaan po namin sa inyo kasi naano nyo na po na-enculturate nyo na parang pagising nyo sa umaga, espiritu nyo pang health service na. So palakpakan po natin ng bawat isa.
So mga nanay at pati na rin mga tatay, kailangan po natin pag-usapan ang family planning. Huwag po tayong mahiya na pag-usapan kung ilan po ba yung kailangan nating anak, gusto nating anak, at kung kailan tayo magkakaanak. Ang Department Health po, kasama ang Health Promotion Bureau, ay nandito para bigyan kayo ng tamang impormasyon tungkol sa family planning.
Niana sabta karon in celebration sa ato ang ginatawag na National Family Planning Day. Doon lang kita mga barangay health workers sa ato ang tagsatagsa ka mga barangays nga tuwag yung gitahasan para maoy mo inform sa ato ang mga konstituente mahitungod sa mga serbisyo sa ato ang rural health unit sa Municipality of Minglanilla.
Under my administration, health is not just a service, it is a right of the Cebuanos. And it is my commitment that every Cebuano will feel that right being fulfilled. To our DOH partners, rest assured that the Cebu provincial government will support you fully, as I have given my commitment earlier.
Today we gather to celebrate the Family Planning Month and the Breastfeeding Awareness Month. Two important reminders that health truly begins at home and that choices we make are for our families that ripple to shape our whole nation.
No? What is family planning? So this is the ability of your individual or partner, no, or couples, because family planning, as mentioned, and breastfeeding should not be handled by the woman alone. No, the partner should be involved because they are both involved in making the family.
There is a Philippines, ato ang nasod, no, natay EO 51, and even ato na nag-expand atong Breastfeeding Act. Atong milk code diri, no, iyang gi-regulate ang mga milk companies sa ilang mga milk products. Kay ila dyan nag-i-ensure, no, nga ma-advocate first, no, protect, promote, and support breastfeeding.
Prevention is better than cure. And of course, a healthy community is a happy community. Let us enjoy, listen, and together learn in this activity.
So bigyan po ng tamang nutrisyon, tamang pangangalaga at suporta at magkakaroon po tayo ng isang magandang pamilya. So mula po sa Department of Health, Health Promotion Bureau, sinasabi po natin na ang bawat buhay ay mahalaga.
These two initiatives share one common goal: to safeguard the health and well-being of every Filipino family. Family planning, of course, empowers our couples to make informed choices and secure brighter future for their children. Together, let us build a healthier families and healthier Minglanilla, contributing to a healthier Central Visayas and healthier Philippines.